What's the meaning of curtailment? Curtailment. Curtailment.
Curtailment. Curtailment. Curtailment refers to the act of reducing or restricting something, often in terms of quantity or duration. The result of curtailment can vary depending on the context in which it occurs. In some cases, curtailment may lead to a decrease in efficiency or productivity, while in others it may be necessary to conserve resources or limit negative outcomes. For example, in the energy sector, curtailment may refer to reducing the output of renewable energy sources in order to prevent overloading of the electrical grid. In general, the result of curtailment is a reduction or limitation of some sort.